Here's how to fix the Steam network error showing no internet connection on your PC. Step 1. Reset Steam network settings. Start by opening Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Open the Download section. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will restart automatically. After restarting, open Settings/Downloads again. Change the download region to the nearest location or a different nearby region. Close Steam completely, then reopen it. Resetting Steam's network configuration forces a fresh connection to Steam servers and often resolves no connection errors. Step 2. Run Steam as administrator. If the network error persists, close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator ensures Steam can access required network services without being blocked by Windows. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If Steam still shows no internet connection, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and then press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. After completing these steps, the Steam network error should be resolved and Steam should connect normally. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.